Tyler, where'd you get all that money from?
You scared me.
Where'd you get all that money from?
From the bank?
From the bank? Would you hit the lottery or you plowing?
I stole it.
You stole it? From your father? Ah! Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I got my truck back here and I got a cool little upgrade that we're gonna throw on this thing once the weather cooperates. I'm literally out here getting soaking wet for you guys making this video. So leave a like and leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you guys. We're gonna do an upgrade. Let me get home. I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, guys, we are back at the house in the garage. This is what we're going to be upgrading on the back of my truck for some work lights while I'm plowing at night or launching the boat at night. These will definitely come in handy. And then inside this pack, we have a lot of wiring, some connectors, some wire loom, and a switch. I don't know if I'm gonna go with this red LED switch, which is pretty cool. Hook that up on the dash so we can have a toggle on those lights when we need them. We can put them on even when we're not in reverse, because the way I have them hooked up now is when the reverse lights come on. When I put the truck in reverse, that's when they come on, and I kind of want to put these on their own circuit and have these available whenever I need them. I can put them out if I'm working on the trailer, working behind the truck, have any light anytime I need it, not just have it in reverse. So these are actually made by the brand Traveler. I picked these up for, I think, 30 bucks a piece. The 900 lumens, and it's a very thin light, which is awesome. Here's the dimensions right here, right there in the description here. I'll try to leave a link on where I got these, or I can find these on Amazon for you guys. I actually bought these at my local Tractor Supply. So this is what we're going to be upgrading here shortly when the weather cooperates. So keep an eye out for that video, and I'll see you guys on that video if you guys want to follow me, and we'll get these installed as soon as the weather cooperates, because I can't be working inside my garage. It is full and it doesn't fit anything. So until next time, guys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.